Hi, welcome to this YouTube channel. Today I have Anthem on day one. This is the Xbox One X version. It's going to come in 4K, HDR, Ultra HD, and there's been some reviews going around the internet saying that maybe it's not as good as we all anticipated. I think the initial unveil at E3 was set the bar pretty high. I think our imaginations may have gotten away from us, but I look forward to playing through it. I love a lot of BioWare games, and this is really going to be fun to play. I'm going to play the whole thing and try not to say anything bad about it. That being said, if there's something that sticks out that I really don't like, it's hard to not talk about it. But from what I've seen, it's a lot of what I had expected, and I'm going to be playing this shortly, and I will upload some videos. This today is going to be the unboxing. I'm just going to open the package. I mean, it's usually a disc and a piece of paper, right? Well, let's see what those look like. Okay, so here we are. There's the new Anthem video game. Now, I don't know about you, but I usually rip these open and leave some of this hanging funny for the life of the game. This time I might just use this razor. See if I can get a nice split out of that. So there it is. Wow, look at that. It's perfectly aligned. Nice. That was probably luck. So it says, welcome to Anthem. Our mission at BioWare is to create worlds of adventure, conflict, companionship that inspire you to become the hero of your story. This is your invitation to that adventure, to come explore this new world, get to know its people, enjoy it with your friends, and forge many stories of your own. Anthem is the culmination of many years of hard work, craftsmanship, and love for us, and we are thrilled and humbled to finally be able to present it to you. And we're lucky to have it, actually. Been waiting a while. You know, I bought the Xbox One X with this in mind. I have the Pro also. I really don't have anything bad to say about either one. We all know the differences. Anyone who's really into video games is going to have both. And check the condition. Boom. New. So that's the game. It's nice to have the disc because it makes you don't have to have as much hard drive space for multiple games. When you download them off the internet, a lot of times you might need a bigger hard drive once you get over like 15 games. So this is easier. It's a faster download. It only needs a patch instead of the entire game, so it's kind of nice. So this here it says, in a world left unfinished by gods, a shadowy faction threatens all humankind. Only you stand between the dominion and the ancient power they covet. Team up as heroes in this cooperative action RPG. Venture into a vast open world of dangers. Customize your arsenal of powerful javelin exosuits. So we got 90 awards already. So there it is. I'm going to pop it in and get to playing this bad boy. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you liked the video. I'll be making some more. I make all kinds of different videos. Some of it is for my eBay store. I sell a lot of used clothing, shoes, what else? Video games, jackets, coats, summer items, a lot of sporting goods like ice skates and roller skates. Something for every season, and usually at a really good price. And honestly, it helps me buy more brand new video games, so that's just how I do it. I have a priority problem a little bit, but hey, we all, actually the used clothes of a higher brand, a lot of times they look a little nicer. Anyway, I'm going to get off here. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.